Hello, this is Prashant over here. I have a database which contains the names of employee along with their email ID, along with their employee ID, and I have another table where they have been reviewed throughout the year. For example, Michael over here has had 3 reviews throughout the year done to him. Okay, we are going to bring this inside a FastField report without doing a SQL join in advance. Okay. So let's start by creating a new report. Reviews. My table is stored in the data train database. Click on the SQL button over here. I click on my employee table and I just want first name, last name, let's say the designation, their role, and click on OK. Next, I want all the fields. I forgot the employee ID, my bad. Let's go back and select employee ID as well. Click next, all. I also want to group it by employee ID. This would be useful for us later on to have a subgroup so that all the reviews are under one single name. Let's see how this works right now. Now when the report is saved, you need to still come over here and select the same database where your data is, save it, preview it, and here we have a simple report. Okay. Before we do anything else, let's just move employee's name, last name, his designation, all of it on the group header. So all this information is in one place. Okay. Just for now, let's get rid of the role. Let's just keep the role over here. Okay. Now we are required to bring the data from second table into the picture, which for us is so the name of my table is employee_performance. Let's just come back to ETL, click on data, click on ADO query, click on the data field over here. Now we will not get a wizard. We just need to ensure we type our query over here, which I have self-selected. Now this is important here that employee ID, which is the field in my details table, is also having the same word in my employee table over here, employee ID. Okay, I've just passed it on as a variable. Now you click OK. Click on your ADO query 1 and assign its master to be ADO query single, where we had all the list of our employees. Okay. Click on save, come back to your page. Okay, now using the insert band option, select details data, select AD query 1, click OK and drag it under master data over here. Now let me just get my, let's say my review date, and we'll make it very small. And let's get an actual review as well. Okay, we'll drag it onto the side, click on save, and here we have everybody's reviews inside. Okay, now if you see, all the reviews are clipped. So the first thing we want to do is, so the video right now is over. We've got everything that we wanted. Now we're just going to beautify this report. Okay, the first thing we will do is we will click on detail data, click on the right side. We want to ensure that stretched is true. This allows my band to expand or shrink as per the size available to it. Now if you will click and preview, nothing will increase or decrease because all the other items individually are getting clipped. You will select your review field, again go in the object inspector, and this time as you go on the bottom, click on stretch mode and say stretch mode is equal to actual height. Click on save, preview it, and now you will see all of them becoming big. You will also see these ugly full stops suddenly appearing out of nowhere. This is a bug in FastField, not in ETL. You still need to select this. Again, go bottom, and this time select RTL reading to be false. Okay, click on save, and then you will see much prettier looking items. You see that their role is right now clipped. Okay, we'll come over here to role and we'll expand it. Click on save. Okay, and all the reviews are here in one place. Okay, you can make it even better by, let's say you want to now have a line below each of them. So for this you will stretch this, come to the bottom. I'll have to make this full screen. Okay, come to the bottom, select shape object, click on line, and we can draw a line right below our reviews. Okay, I think it's just, and we'll preview it. There we go. Up. So I seem to have just gone above it. Let me just see if I can, click on save, and here we have much better looking. Now you might want to increase the size further. You can go over here in reviews, drag it all the way to the right, click on save. Yeah, loving it. I hope this was helpful to you. If you can also remove these items from the top, you can just come over here on last name, you can just remove this. You do not need. Okay, you can smush them all together if you want to. You can get the designation closer, save it. So ETL allows you to play. The reporting module is very, very mature and allows you to play around, get your pixel perfect report the way you like it. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you.